Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and do not forget to click the bell icon. So today I'm going to give you a review of Lakme CC cream. So this is a beige. This is as per my skin tone. So there are different variations available in this as per your skin tone. So you can just go ahead and check first. So there will be a test. You can just go ahead and try it on your hand and there will be a test. So they'll just try rubbing some cream onto your skin and they'll see whether this variation is good for your skin tone or not. So I have beige over here and let me just show you how you can apply this and how it actually makes your skin tone great to look and it will glow your skin. So currently I washed my face and did not apply anything. So this is of 30 grams and this will cost you around 335 rupees. Hopefully you may get it an offer, so it will cost you less. I think you can actually see the difference here and here. So guys, if you have seen, there is already a good glow and there is a shine and the skin tone is also glowing. So usually it elevates your skin tone and it makes your skin to glow. So this is how it looks like after applying it. So it doesn't look odd. It doesn't look like you have applied something. It actually looks natural when you select your when you select as per your skin tone. And this also has SPF 30. So SPF 30 will also protect you from the skin, from the sun rays. So because this is summer and this is very useful if you do not apply your sunscreen also, if you just apply this Lakme CC cream also, it is fine and it will protect your skin. That's all for today. Thank you so much for loving me and love me the same as you do always, and keep providing me that positive comment so that I can go ahead and make a lot many videos for you. And one small request, guys, you people are asking me for the address whenever I'm posting videos. So guys, I do post the address in the end of the video, so please watch it till the end of the video and take the address. And if you do not want to do that, you can just go ahead and check that in description also, you will have the address. And if you did not find in description also, whenever I post the comment and I pin it, so you can check in my comment also, there will be a there will be a described address which is mentioned. I do provide their website if it is, and I do provide the contact number also. So please guys, go ahead and contact them for any kind of queries. If you want to purchase single, if you want to purchase wholesale bulk, please contact them because they are the people who can provide you the information. But whenever I'm making wholesale videos, usually, but they do not provide any kind of single purchases, but some do. So that's when I'm asking you to contact them so that you can just go ahead and check with them if they can provide you single purchases. If yes, you can just go ahead and buy them. If not, then it is well and good, you can just try for some other shops, because I have posted, I think, many shops, and you can just check out so many videos in my channel. I hope you know now. There are travels, tours, nail arts, mehendis, blouses, dresses, and much more in my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day, guys. Love you all. Bye.